Marshmallow. It's the Deco 03 review. Hi folks, how's it going? I'm a Foreman Artist. Feel free to subscribe and hit that bell for all things art, but for now, let's get on with the review. Full disclosure time. Now this isn't a paid or sponsored review, but I want to say a quick thanks to XP Pen for sending over the Deco 03 for a review. Cheers folks! So for the past couple of years I've used the Wacom Cintiq 13HD and it's pretty cool because you can just draw it directly into the screen. But when you're hunched all day drawing, it really gives you a bad back. And that's when I thought it's time to look for an alternative workflow by using a screenless drawing tablet, keeping my back straight, and draw looking at the computer monitor. So let's see if the Deco 03 can soothe my backache. What's in the box? This tablet is beautiful. It's pleasantly wide, so consider how much space you'd require on your work desk. The pen tablet software and drivers come on a USB. You get your cable, although the tablet can be wireless, and a drawing glove. And saving the best to last, something I call the tube of awesome. I'll go get it. Inside the pen holder are the nibs, the pen, and the wireless receiver. Pretty nifty. With everything being so compact and the Deco 3 itself being light and thin, it's perfect for those who like portable graphics tablets for events like game jams. Compared to the Wacom Cintiq 13HD pen that I'm used to, the Deco 03 pen felt really light. This isn't a bad thing, it felt really nice to use, especially with the pressure sensitivity being an impressive 8,192 levels. One thing I was missing was the eraser that the XP pen was lacking, but I just assigned one of the tablet buttons to it, and it quickly becomes second nature. Speaking of buttons, there's 2 on the pen and 6 on the tablet. We've also got the red dial, which is incredible to use on a tablet like this. And they're all really nicely located. I didn't get any strain trying to reach them. And one of the buttons on the pen is slightly raised too, making it easy to find. You can use it wired or wireless, and there's an on and off switch on the back. And after 30 minutes of not being used, it goes to sleep. So what's the Deco 03 actually like to use? Now I've been using it for about 3 weeks, and it's pretty nice. And out the box I didn't really need to tweak any of the settings, just the click sensitivity. The express key settings allow you to set different profiles, so each key would work differently on each program, and it only took an hour or two to customize the buttons to my liking. And once it did, I was away. I remember the first thing I doodled in Clip Studio Paint was a little hamster holding the Deco 03. So Clip Studio Paint passed the test, but what about vectors? So I brought this little hamster into Adobe Illustrator. And as you can see, the mouse and keyboard got quickly pushed aside because the tablet just felt really natural to use. It was comfortable within minutes. And it didn't interrupt my workflow either, and all the Astute Graphics plugins I got for Adobe Illustrator worked fine with it. So all in all, I'm pretty pleased with this. And it definitely looks and feels a lot more than the asking price. So I guess it's time to give this a score out of 5. So the Deco 03 gets an easy 4 out of 5 marshmallows. With both this little red dial alone actually. Oh, and the tube of awesome, both pretty nifty. And my back's been fine since using it actually, so no need to go to the doctors, just buy the Deco 03 instead and you'll be fine. Go to the doctors if you need to go to the doctors. For more information and a link to the full written review, you can find it in the description below. Look, the marshmallow fits perfectly on the red dial. Aww. I'm a Foreman Artist everywhere, and I guess I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye bye! So do you use a drawing tablet? Which one do you use? And if you've got any questions about the Deco 03, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Subscribe and hit that bell button to be notified of all things art. And if you like marshmallows, like the video. See you soon folks.